Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to add money to PayPal, which is pretty simple. So first off, the things we have to do is have our PayPal installed in our iOS or Android devices or whatsoever. You can also do this in your desktop or your computer or your laptop. So the next things we're gonna do here is actually by logging into our PayPal account. So as you can see here, I'm already logged into my PayPal account. And then here you can see in the payment section that there's send, bills, and requests. So the simple way to do that is just by adding money to PayPal is going by request. So you can either share your link where you copy your link, and then you can also send your invoice or just split the bill. So to request, you just send an invoice, something like that. And there you go. So here, let's see. So you will have to send an invoice to receive money here in PayPal. So you can either add your item or service, or you can also add certain things to change the currency. So you can change it to USD, Australian dollars, euros, Japanese yen, Philippine pesos, Singaporean dollars, or Thai baht. So we're gonna go with US dollars. So it's either you add your item or the service or whatsoever. So you're saying I want money, and then you enter the amount. So I just say $200, and then there you add. You can also have the option to leave a note to the customer or the recipient you're gonna send this invoice to receive the money from, or perhaps you can just send it to yourself if you have another PayPal account, so you can transfer it from one PayPal account to another. And then here you just send the invoice. So you're gonna have to also add the email address and whatsoever. So let's just add a note, which is hi. So like I said, you must have the email address of the PayPal or the PayPal that you're gonna send the recipient to, and there you go. That's just how you add money to PayPal. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.